Many times, parents try to set limits by screaming at them, by yelling them, or by threatening them. Like if they don't follow these rules, then they will face these kind of consequences. And often that cause more dysregulation in the children. Let's say, for example, it's bedtime and the child want to use more screen, but the parents have this time that after, let's say, 7 after 8 p.m. they cannot have screen time or video time or phone time, and the child start throwing temper tantrum. So rather than yelling at them, screaming at them, or threatening them that I will take away the phone tomorrow, or I'm not going to do this, I will not take them to this friend's place, I will take away their play date. Rather than using those strategies, I would say you stay, firm. You stay more like a compassionate, more like an understanding. You remind them, yes, I can see you are enjoying, the screen time, video time, but we agree on that 8 p.m. is a bedtime and this is a bedtime. Now, if the child scream, get angry, get frustrated, you just keep validating their feeling. I know it must be really frustrating, but this is the rule that we agree on. So when you set limits based on the compassion and love, so they are more likely to get regulated. In the beginning, they may try to test limits, they may get more frustrated, they may try to push your button to trigger you, or to so that you can get mad and you lose control. So as a parent, I really want you as a parent to take the control, not the child to take the control. And what I mean the child take the control, when the child is angry and that is making you angry, and you are frustrated, you are losing your patience, and you are saying bad things. So in that moment, your child is in control of that situation, not you. But in those moments when the child need you, need some limits, and you are setting those limits in a more consistent way, in a more calm way, in a more gentle, and in a more compassionate way, there is a likely chance that the child is more able to listen to you, more able to understand you, and more able to follow your directions.